The stock dropped for a little while, and I panic. Ah! Ah! Don't panic. Understand it's a roller coaster ride. What's going on today, people? Bam Lit, Get On Investor. Like, comment, and subscribe. In one of my last videos, I said, you only down in the stock. You only lose your money when you jump off the roller coaster. It's a ride. It's a ride, right? Right now, I got over $3,500 right now in one company that got me down right now, $500, right? Now, any newcomers, anybody that's new, like newbies, because they don't have a thesis, they don't know why they're even in the stock, they'll jump out. They'll jump off the roller coaster. See, when I first started, I lost $7,000 doing that. Every time something came down and it didn't go in my favor, I jump out. And then when stocks are going up, I'm averaging up and averaging up and averaging up. Now, I don't take no profit, but I keep averaging up. And then what happens? The stock dropped for a little while, and I panic. Ah! 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 Don't panic. Understand it's a roller coaster ride. When the stock goes down, discount. The fundamentals every investment is a risk. If you see that your fundamentals hasn't changed, the company fundamentals hasn't changed, and it's still heavy cash, the management team hasn't changed, the revenue stream hasn't changed, nobody cares about the noise. It's like looking into a company and you know that everybody and their mother is using the product. Everybody and their mother has the product. They use the product. And the company goes down because of analysts and people. An analyst is a person like me and you, yeah, that can just write up a blog and put it out. That's their job. It's their job. So now, since they beat down the company, they scare you and you panic out of something that they have nothing to do with them. Did you get in the stock because of them? Did they tell you to get in? I mean, if they told you to get in, I don't know. I mean, then that's something different. But if they ain't tell you to get in, why are you listening to them when they're telling you to get out? Why are you in the company? It's a discount. You're not going to win 100% of the time, but you got to understand your strategy, your formula. If you have a 70% rate of success, a success rate, like you win 70% of the time, you continue to do that same strategy. You don't change shit. You just add to it. You might add a little something to it. You might critique it a little better,